So one of the few things that happens very often to every creator on YouTube is to get stuck with not having any ideas anymore or what content to bring up next. But there's one easy fix that you can do that helps you a lot and is a great thing that you can use, which is I'm using as well. And here's what you are going to do. Sorry for stuttering here. So the thing is, ChatGPT has this awesome function to create your own GPT. And what you're going to do is basically creating your own GPT, and you're going to create your own YouTube coach. If you want to know how you're going to do that or how I did that, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. But basically what you're going to do is grab your most famous YouTube creators that are highly successful, and then based on their books and their insights and web pages, grab all the information you can, put it all together in a text file, and then upload it as a persona within GPT and name it, for example, YouTube Coaches. And then when you have questions and want to create new content and you're stuck with ideas, basically as you're not having any ideas, you can ask your GPT to some brainstorming together with you. Another alternative would be to use the agent mode within ChatGPT and do the same thing. Just what you need to do is to give some insights on your audience, what's your channel about, basically your niche, and then brainstorm together with ChatGPT after some ideas. And when you brainstorm them, then you can also create based on that content plan with ideas. And when you have the content plan with ideas, possible ideas, you can also do some research with vidIQ, for example, for some keyword research, or look on YouTube if there's any traffic for it. And then you could finalize slowly, step by step, what are your upcoming topics going to be, what are you going to do, so that you have an idea for the next few weeks and months. And with that, happy to see you on the next one. Just out.